Hey everybody, Dorothy the Organizer here. I'm your organizing coach, and I'm here to help you organize your emotions today. Of course, next week we're going to start organizing our homes, offices, and cars, but today a little bit on organizing our emotions because, well, let me just ask you, how many of you here have a little bit of fear going on? Me too. And I want to remind you that everything we want is on the other side of fear. So good health, the virus disappearing in our lives, financial security, just jobs, family gatherings, normal quantities of food and supplies on the shelves. We just want to have that, and it's going to be there for us on the other side of our fear. And so what I want to do is just make sure that you're grounded today. And I'd like you to think about organizing 3 sentences with me. So the first sentence I want you to consider is just to say this 3 times with me. Ready? So the first one is, I am healthy. So ready? We're going to do it 3 times together. Really? I mean, do this. I am healthy. 1. I am healthy. 2. I am healthy. 3. Good job. Now, the next thing I want you to think about is I am strong. Okay? 3 times. I am strong. Go ahead and put some force into it. I am strong. I am strong. 1 more. I am strong. Good, because that's flooding your brain with all sorts of anti-fear thoughts and strong statements, which is what we want to do right now. And the third thing we want to say is, I will be okay. So let's say it 3 times. Ready? I will be okay. 1. I will be okay. 2. I will be okay. 3. Okay, now you can say this or play this video again if you want to. I'm here for you. Remember, this is going to pass. It has just hit the bell curve on the other side in China, so we know that's going to take place here. I'm here to encourage you, love you, hug you from a distance, and make sure that you know you are not alone. Next week, we'll be doing organizing, so let me know what it is you want to get organized over the weekend, and I'll take care of it for you. Okay? Lots of love.